All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So I got on Amazon and got this new MAGQI automatic wireless charger. And this has got to be one of the coolest things I've seen in a long time. There's a few videos out there, I think, on this that I've watched, but I had to check this out. So this is the one where you just get you get a car vent and you get the adapter and everything, but you can kind of see there these sensors there. So let's pull this open here, and I'll show you the contents, and then we'll go demo it in one of the cars. How about that? Yes, definitely a little heavier than. Oh, this is sweet how they have this set up. I like this. This is a good look. So you get this is how it's done, folks. Can't get any more simple and plain to the point than that. So we'll go outside and put it in the car. They give you clear color instructions, which is rare when you're buying something from manufacturers. It tells you everything that you need, and it just doesn't get any more plain and simple than this. They've got it in English, and then they've got it in a different language. So there it is, man. Let's crack this open here, and let's see how I can get into this. Oh, that pops out right there. Oh, it screws in right here. Okay, so you've got this dual car charger here, just in case you need a different socket for it. And then you've got the locking mechanism for your vent. And I like this kind here because I've got some other vents, things that I've got where they're squeezed, and it messed up my vent. I had to take my car apart, man. I had to take my car apart because my vent pushed through. So I was pretty upset about that. But you screw this out, and that releases that. And then I can put this together. So this will go on to here like this, and then you push this through, and then you'll lock it in place right here. Pretty sweet. Even if you're not going to use the wireless charging portion of this, it's pretty nice to have just this electric car charging portion of it. Because you push that button right there, and then that's the button that you use to open it. But this is pretty sweet, man. So I'm really feeling this. So far, it looks pretty good. So this is how it goes right here. So you lock it in place. It'll lock onto your vent. You can put it in. So the bottom of your phone will be on this side more than likely. They give you a cable here, micro USB, nice little charger. I already have one. So here's the bottom portion right here. And that's how you release this bottom portion down here. Pretty sweet, man. Pretty sweet. All right, let's go put it in the car. All right, so here's my vent. Kind of trying to decide where I want to put it. I'll more than likely lock it into place right here. I have, I'll put it over here because I have a spot here being taken up by my what's the name, but I can actually replace that with the another cable. So I'll lock it in place here, and we'll get it set up. So this is super cool. As soon as it recognizes something coming towards it, it starts to open up. Well, it did a minute ago. Is it fail? Is my power shutter getting power? Let's give it a little juice. Let's see here. Let's drop this down. And it should automatically start to, there we go. There we go. So it is charging. Whew. I was going to say fail on camera, but it is what it is. So when you want to open it, you press that little gray button on the side right there. And then it'll recognize it coming towards it, and then it'll shut it up. And boom, there's your wireless charging. You can see, charging. It's got a nice grip on there too. You just kind of touch by this little gray area right here, and boom, it's off. So the sensors are around there, and then it charges. And this is a Galaxy Note 8 that I have in here, so be mindful of that. Pretty big phone, but it is charging. So quick demo for you guys, man. This is actually pretty sweet. And I got it inside of a case, you know what I'm saying? So it lets you know how big it can actually do it. So the sensor is a little finicky, but still, it works. This is a nice little setup right here, man. I like this. So there you have it, folks. Just a quick video on this electronic fast wireless, or not fast wireless charging, a wireless charging for your car. You could probably actually put this on a desk. You can put this anywhere, actually, and it'll still work. So I guess if I had a drawback is that it uses micro USB. And if you can see here, I actually have a dual setup type charger where it's type C and a micro USB adapter connected together. So if anything, that would be my only complaint about this thing. At first, the sensor was a little finicky, but it's working. Boom, there it is. Kind of wish it was fast charging. I don't believe it's fast charging. I didn't see that on the box, but that's hot, man. There it is. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.